head on swivel. Keep looking around. Let's check out Maria's outfit. So we got the amoeba, we got the chest rig going on, right? We got magazines, and I'm not sure about our right side. So those are all bad guys. Lots of bad guys. Come on, come on.
There we go.
Alright. Stay behind cover. Get behind those white things. Go, 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 go. Get behind the white things. Go, 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 go.
Ah, I got hit.
Oh, you got hit? Alright. Yeah, good job, good job.
Oh, I got hit.
You did?
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm hit.
Back more up. Do you want to go down here then?
I wouldn't go down that ravine. It's a kill field.
Okay,
yeah.
Not that way.
Ah. Maria, come here, babe. Get behind me. Here, get behind me.
I'll bring it back.
And start shooting like in this direction, okay? You'll see like heads and stuff. Alrighty. All right, baby. Get behind the dirt pile. Come on, dirt pile. Get down. Good. All right, peek up a little bit. We're gonna look for enemy heads, okay? Remember, use the red dot. That'll help a lot. All right. Now they're gonna come up the ridge.
It's actually green.
Oh, is this a green? Okay, it doesn't matter. You see someone?
No, I just can't see it.
Okay, good. All right, let's run up to that guy over there. Already? Come on. Get behind a tree. Perfect. I'm moving up to this tree. Oh, stay still. Don't move. Guy in the bunker in front of us. Hit! All right. You see people?
Someone just ran.
Say what?
Someone just ran, I think, behind that
They died?
thing.
They ran to the right?
I think he died.
Okay, listen. That wall in front of you, we need to run up there, okay?
That one?
Yep, that one right there. All right, let me give you cover fire. When I say go, start running. Alrighty? Ready? Set? Go! Run!
A few moments later.
Huh?
Are they?
Yeah, you want to go up in the tower? That might be a bit dangerous because they'll have like eyes on us, but...
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go. Get down. Alright, so listen up. When you pop up, you gotta be careful because if people will see us in front, but we need to look this way, okay? Alright, so pop up slowly. Okay, that's a lot of friendlies. You gotta just like keep ducking, yeah, just expose your head so they can't shoot you. Okay, so we have a red guy in front of us, so that's good. Okay, so stand up completely, but stand against the wall. So, all these guys right here, they're all red, so that's good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna crawl up, peek over, and then shoot. Alrighty? So, you do the honors. You want me to do it first?
Yeah.
Okay, so watch me, ready? So I'm gonna get my gun up first, look over slowly, make sure nobody can see me. So they're on the far ridge. So I'm not seeing anybody, but I want to be careful because somebody could pop up and shoot me. Yep. Somebody tried to shoot me, I think. You're okay. That's our spawn though. Remember, that's where we spawn.
You're behind the log.
Oh, yep. Oh, aim higher.
There was two.
Yeah. Are they behind the logs, you said?
One ran, one's behind the logs.
Oh, someone coming up the log. See him? Get him. Oh, you get him.
Yep,
get him. Start shooting. Start shooting. Oh, yeah. Right there behind. No, you're hitting. Go higher. Aim a little. Like move up. Yep. Shoot him. There you go. Oh, hey, a little bit to the right. Nice, you got two of them. You got two of them. Yeah. What's up, Brody? How are you, buddy?
I'm pretty good.
She got her first double kill behind the tree. Nice job.
How much time do we got left?
There's only like 2 minutes left, I heard.
Only like 2 minutes.
Good job, babe. 2.
Only like 2 minutes.
Like, the game's about to end. "30 seconds. Bro, you're gonna get sniped. I want you to just get boom.
I'm waiting for it.
All right, Maria, come on. Expose yourself. Shoot them off.
They're all going back.
Exactly.
All right, Maria. There is no safe today. There's only war.
I die
So we're gonna
in war.
get to those. What's wrong?
Dying is tiring.
Huh?
Dying, it's tiring.
Those are good guys. So, but you got this like more flat.
So in theory, we'd be safe behind them because they'd shoot them first.
Yep.
I killed someone.
You did. You killed 2 people at once.